If you're looking for a lightweight, everyday sneaker, the HF Cloud shoes have probably caught your attention. After taking a closer look, I can see why they're getting some buzz in 2026. The first thing that stands out is the comfort. The cushioning feels soft underfoot, making these shoes a solid option for walking, commuting, or spending long hours on your feet. They're also surprisingly lightweight, which helps reduce that heavy, tired feeling you get with some bulkier sneakers. Design-wise, the HF Cloud shoes have a clean, modern look that works with both casual and athletic outfits. The breathable upper is another nice touch, especially if you live in a warmer climate. Now, are they perfect? Not exactly. If you're a serious runner or need maximum performance for intense workouts, there are more specialized options available. But for everyday wear and general comfort, they do a pretty good job. So, are the HF Cloud shoes worth your money? If comfort, lightweight design, and everyday versatility are your priorities, I'd say they're definitely worth considering.